Today, we're exploring some of the city's most iconic places, cafés, from the peaceful green paths of Central Park.
And here we are standing right in the shadow of the magnificent Brooklyn Bridge. Ferries run constantly across the water, connecting Manhattan and Brooklyn. Hey everyone, here, I'm Ava Carter. Today we're at Times Square in New York City. Party, let's go. Times Square is the bustling heart of Manhattan, famous for its giant digital billboards and non-stop energy. This spot was once called Longacre Square and became Times Square after the New York Times moved here in 1904.
If you want the best photos, stand on the red steps for a classic skyline shot. Visit at golden hour or late evening. Keep your bag close and use subway 42nd Stu/Times Skew for the quickest exit.
That was Times Square, short, bright, and full of life. Our journey begins at the Brooklyn Bridge, Tulse. Completed in 1883, it was the first steel wire suspension bridge ever built. Every step across connects two worlds, Manhattan and Brooklyn, bound by history and hope. Then there's Central Park, a peaceful escape in the middle of all that chaos. From joggers to artists, this park has been the city's heartbeat for over 150 years. Tall in the harbor terraces, the Statue of Liberty. A gift from France in 1886, it still welcomes millions with the promise of freedom and new beginnings. High above the city, the Empire State Building reminds you what ambition looks like. From here, you don't just see New York, you feel it.
From bridges to skyscrapers' courts, New York is more than a city. It's a collection of moments that stay with you forever.